Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned jalapenos. First, gather all your essential supplies, including fresh jalapenos, canning jars, lids, and rings. Next, prepare a simple brine solution using water, vinegar, and salt. It is crucial to sterilize your canning jars and equipment thoroughly before you begin. This ensures a safe and successful canning process for your delicious peppers. Now, let's prepare those vibrant jalapenos. Begin by washing them thoroughly under cool running water and carefully removing their stems. Then, slice each jalapeno into uniform rings, aiming for about 1/4 inch in thickness. If you prefer a milder flavor, you can carefully remove the seeds and membranes from the peppers. This step significantly reduces the heat level. With your jalapenos sliced, it's time to pack them into the sterilized jars. Tightly arrange the pepper rings, ensuring a snug fit without crushing them. Next, carefully pour the hot brine solution over the jalapenos, making sure to leave precisely 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, we move to the crucial water bath canning process. Carefully place your filled jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are fully submerged. Process them for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. Check for proper seals. Well-sealed jars can be stored for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.